Hello, and welcome to our brief tutorial on how to buy music from our site. Go to www.blackstopmusic.com or follow the link located in the description of this video to visit our music store. There, you can preview our newly uploaded tracks and read the basic terms of our 4 licenses that we offer. Notice though that in premium and unlimited licenses, trackouts or stems are included with your purchased track, which means you will get a folder with all separate instrument tracks so you can remix, rearrange, or edit the tracks whichever way you like. Please don't forget to visit our collection tab. When you purchase a collection of tracks in the same style or genre, you will receive huge discounts. Explore our catalog of royalty-free background music for your media projects. Sort by BPM, mood, or genre to narrow your search results. Listen each track by clicking on the thumbnail preview, and when you find the perfect one for you, click the title to go to the details page. Select the license you want to use and you're ready to check out. Please read carefully the license term before you continue, so you can be sure that this license will perfectly suit your needs. When you're ready, agree to the track license agreement and pay via PayPal or credit card. This will lead you to the PayPal website. If you have a PayPal account, log in and follow the procedure. If you don't, pay via credit card by filling the form with your information. When your order is completed, you will receive an email with a download link. Click this link to start downloading your clean 24-bit unwatermarked files. Thank you for watching and happy listening.